All right, so here's a tech tip for you. I'm trying to torque this because I have other things to do. I can't put the wheel on and do it on the ground. All right, so I'm trying to torque this, but this keeps spinning. So what do? How do we do that? Actually, I see a little grease on there. How do we do that? It's very, very simple. What you're gonna do is get your second favorite screwdriver, and all you're gonna do is you're gonna stick this into one of the holes of the rotor. This torque spec is 177, so you're just gonna put that in there and you torque it. Okay, and that holds it as long as your anchor bracket's on there. If not, I've seen people stick a pry bar in between this, but it's pretty straightforward. That's how you would torque it if the wheel is off. Because then if not, you got to go through the center cap. Like, it can be confusing. And do not wind these on with an impact gun, because an impact gun, let's say it's a 500 foot-pound gun, right? You're winding this like way tighter than it should be, and you take the risk of the preload of the bearing being too tight, and you could blow the bearing out.